So good morning, welcome to the EduMath Zone. So welcome to the SSC Public Examination Revision series. So in the part of that we have been discussing statistics chapter. So now we shall talk about mode, how to find out mode of a group of data. So that will be discussed in this during this session. Okay, let's have a discussion on that one. Question number 30. Okay, question number 30. Question number 30. The marks distribution of 30 students in a mathematics examination. Okay, very good morning. Are given in the following table. Right? So family size, next number of families, number of families, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 1 to 3, 7, 3 to 5, 8, 5 to 7, 2, 7 to 9, 2 and 1. So this is the table. Okay, just note down the question first of all of you, and read the question carefully. Right. So now find the mode of the data. So this is the question. The marks distribution of 30 students in a mathematics examination are given as follows. Family size and number of families given. So we need to find out the mode of the data. So let us proceed for the solution. Shall we proceed? Yes, okay. Right. So let us proceed for the solution. 30 solution now. So let us write the table first. What is the table here? We need to write like this. Family size, next number of families, this is class interval, this is frequency Fi. Okay, let us write this is 1 to 3, next 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. Okay, so number of families 7, this is 8, 2, 7, 8, 2 and also 2 and 1, right. So now we need to find out mode. For mode, this data is enough for us. This is first class, this is second, this is third, this is fourth and fifth classes. 5 classes we have. So first see, observe the frequency 7, 8, 2, 2. So maximum frequency, what is the maximum frequency here? Maximum frequency is 8. So maximum frequency is equal to 8. So now write down here, maximum frequency, the maximum frequency is 8. Since maximum frequency is 8 and the modal class is, this one is the modal class, 3 to 5 is the modal class, because the 8 is located in the 3 to 5 class. So the maximum frequency is 8, so that the class corresponding to the 8 is 3 to 5. So 3 to 5 is considered as modal class. Understood now? So now here, so or we have see, as this is the modal class, this 3 is called lower boundary, L value. L is equal to 3 we need to write. So next what we need to write? F1. So this is F1, this is F0, this is F2. F0 is the frequency of the class of the preceding class to the modal class. This is succeeding class, F2. So this is F2, this is F0. So now we can write like this, F1 equals to 8 and F0 equals to 7, F2 is equal to 2, and H we need to write, H is equal to size of the class, 3 minus 1 or 5 minus 3, that will be 2. So now formula write down, formula. So formula we need to write, formula is important. If you write the formula also, you will get the marks. So mode can be calculated using this formula, L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied with H. Formula write down. Let us substitute the respective value. What is the value of L? So 3 plus what is the value of F1? 8. So minus what is the value of F0? 7. So this becomes 8 minus 7 upon 2 times what is the value of F1? 8. 2 times 8 minus what is the value of F0? 7. What is the value of F2? 2 multiplied with here what is the value of H? That will be 2. So now we need to simplify this one. So this equals to 3 plus 8 minus 7 is 1 upon 16 to 8 ja minus 9, so multiplied with 2. So this equals to 3 times 1 by 7, not 3 times, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 by 7 times 2. So now we need to simplify. This becomes now 3 plus 2 by 7. Now divide 2 by 7. So it cannot go. Put 0 0.0. 7 to ja 14. 6 you will be getting 60. 7 8 ja 0.8. So that means 3 plus 0.28. So this equals to 3.28 is the mode of this given data. 3.28. 3.28. Okay, let us move to the next question now. So let us move to the next question. So now the 31st question. 31st question. Are you there? Compute the mode of the following data. So let us compute the mode of the following data. So following data is given like this: class, frequency 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Now this will be 25, 16, 28, 25. So now for this data you need to find out mode. So this is the frequency distribution table. Right. So let us solve this problem now. So now the solution. First write down here we have class, frequency. So this is Ci, class interval, frequency is Fi. So now 0 to 20, 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 25, 16, 28, 25. Okay. So just the given table itself only. This is this is 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80. Right. So now what is the maximum frequency? The maximum frequency is 28. Say this is F1. So next the frequency preceding to this class, model class, this will be F0. So this will be F2. So now obviously the 40 to 60 will be the model class. Now write down, since 28 is the since maximum frequency is 28 and 40 to 60 is the model class. Okay. So here in the model class, so lower boundary is 40, that means L is equal to 40, you need to write. See, F1 is equal to 28, F0 is equal to 16, F2 is equal to 20. So this is F1, this is F0, this is F2, and H is equal to difference of 60 minus 40 is 20. Class size of the class is 20. As we know the L value, F1, F0, F2, H, using the formula you will get it now. See, as we know these values, so we can find out its mode. Okay, now let us find out now formula. So formula write down. Formula mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 up to, so mode is given by L plus F1 minus F2 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied with H. So let us substitute respective values. So here L is 40 plus F1 is 28 minus what is the value of F0, 16 upon 2 times F1 is 28 minus F0 is 16, F2 is 20 multiplied with here H is 20. So this equals to 40 plus 28 minus 16, that will be 12 upon 56 minus 36. So multiplied with 20. So let us simplify this one. This equals to 40 plus 12 upon 56 minus 36 is 20 and times 20. So this 20 gets cancelled, 21 ja 20. So we have now 40 plus 12. So this is equal to 52. So therefore mode equals to 52. Hence it has been completed. I hope you might have followed this question. How to solve this one? Right. Let us move to the next question. 32nd question. Now 32nd problem. 32nd problem. Are you there? Yes or no? Find the mode of the following data. So marks, next number of students, so marks below below 10, next below 20, below 30, below 40, below 50. This was somewhat typical problem, so need to be addressed very carefully. This is 8, 20, 45, 58, 70. This will be cumulative frequency. It's a cumulative frequency. We need to form the frequency. How to find the frequency, I will tell you. So this is the cumulative frequency, right? Now how to find out the frequency means, I will first we need to prepare. This is the question. The question will be like this, given in the examination. The question will be given like this. This table will be given, provided. Right. Right. So first we need to find out the frequency, we need to find out, and also we need to make here class intervals. Class interval. How to write the class interval means, below 10 means you can take like this, 0 to 10 you can write. So below 20, 10 to 20 you can write second class. This we can write, next is 30, 20 to 30, 20 to 30. So 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. So we need to write the, redesign the actually class intervals. We can write class intervals, and next here frequency also we need to write, F5 we need to write. How to write? First one is 8 only. The next one is 20 minus 8. 20, this minus 8, 12. So we need to write 12. Frequency of the second class. Here 45 minus 20, so that will be, you will be getting 25. This will be 25. This we need to write 58 minus 45. 58 minus 45 is equal to 13. So you need to write 13. Next, this is 70 minus 58. So you will be getting 2. Next, this will be 1, 12. So 12. So this is the actual table you will get it. For this one you can find out mode of the following data. So that means this, given this cumulative frequency, we need to change like this now, class intervals form and frequency form. So after writing this one, you just pick up the maximum frequency. This is F1, obviously this will be F0, obviously this will be F2. This is the model class. This 20 becomes L, and whereas H is equal to 10. With the help of all these values, mode can be evaluated. Have you followed now here? So now I am going to write this table now, right? See, now the solution, class interval write down, next frequency write down. So class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Next, last one is 40 to 50. Now here frequency becomes 8. Next is 12, 20 minus 8, 45 minus 20. 45 minus 20 is 25. 58 minus 45. 58 minus 45 is 13. 70 minus 50 is 12. This is the frequency. So now Right. So now this is the maximum frequency. Obviously this is F naught. This will be F1. This will be F2. Now this is the model class 2230. This will be L. Now write down. Since maximum frequency is 25 and 20 to 30 is the model class. So we have here L is equal to 20, lower boundary of the model class, F naught equals to 25, F1 equals to 12, F2 equals to 13 and H equals to class size. 30 minus 20 is 10. Now formula we need to recall. Formula. What is the formula to find out mode of a grouped data? Formula is given by mode equals to L plus F1 minus F naught upon 2 F1 minus F naught minus F2 multiplied by H. So now the substituting respective values, L is equal to 20 plus F1 is 12 minus F naught, F1 minus one minute. Sorry, this is, I did mistake here. This is F1, this is F naught, this is F2. So F1 right, let me write. See, first F1 write down. F1 is equal to 25, F naught is equal to 12, F2 is equal to 13, H is equal to 10. Right. So next this equals to L is 20 plus F1 is 25 minus F naught is 12, 2 times F1, 2 times 25 minus F naught 12, F2 is 13. So multiplied with H is 10. This is 20 plus 25 minus 12 is 13 by 2 into 25, 50 minus 25 multiplied with 10. Okay, we need to simplify. This can be simplified 20 plus 13 upon 50 minus 25 is 25 multiplied with 10. So now 5 2 ja 5 5 ja. This will be 20 plus 26 by 5. So now you need to divide 26 by 5. So let us divide it. 26 divided by 5. 5 5 ja 25. It leaves a remainder 1. 1 cannot be divisible by 5. Put 0 and point here. 5 2 ja 10. So you will be getting 5.2. So that means 20 plus 5.2. Adding 20 plus 5.2, that is 25.2. Therefore mode equals to 25.2. I hope you might have understood this question. It's clear, I think so. So now we are going to discuss 33rd problem. 33rd problem. 33. Right. Find the mode of the following data. So now the classes, frequency, zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency 7, 10, 15, 8 and 10. So already class interval is given, directly we can proceed. See, in the frequency, just look for the maximum frequency. So what is the maximum frequency? Yes, 15. This is say F1. Obviously this becomes what? F0. So this is the F2. So this 20 to 30 becomes model class. This 20 is the L value. So now write down solution. Maximum frequency in the given table is 15 and it lies in between. Maximum frequency is 15, corresponding to the 15 the class is 2030 and 2030 is model class. So here L equals to 20, F1 is equal to 15, F0 is equal to 10, F2 is equal to 8 and we need H, class size. 30 minus 20 is 10. So now we need to recall the formula. What is the formula to find mode? So mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied with H or times H. So let us substitute the respective values now. So these are the values now. So now this equals to what we can write? This equals to 20. What is the value of F1? 15 minus what is the value of F0? 10 upon 2 multiplied by F1. What is the value of F1? 15. So 2 multiplied by 15 minus F0 is 10. So what is the value of F2 is 8. So minus 8 multiplied with H. H stands, what is the value of H? 10. So now we need to simplify. 20 plus 15 minus 10 is 5 upon 15 2 ja 30 minus 18 multiplied with 10. So 20 plus 5 upon this will be 12 multiplied with 10. 2 5 ja, 2 6 ja. This will be 20 plus 25 by 6. So let us divide 25 by 6. 6 4 ja 24. Remainder 1. 1 cannot be divisible by 6. So 0, put point here. 6 1 ja 6. 40 you will be getting. 6 6 ja 36. Okay, 4.16. 20 plus 4.16 whose value equal to 24.16. Therefore, mode approximately or mode equals to 24.16. Understand? Yes, you might have understand this question. So now 34th problem. 34th problem. 34th problem. If the mode of the following data is 45, find x and y given sigma fi is equal to 50. That means total frequency is equal to 50. So given like this, class frequency (10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. 4, 8, x, 12, 10. Okay, 1 minute. (10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. Yes. So now 10 to 24, 8, x, 12, 10, 4 and y. This is the table. So in this case, actually this is a different problem. We are asked missing frequencies. First note down the question, all of you. So note down the question. Right. Okay, 25 is F1. Very good, very good. Where is the 25? Where is the 25? F1. Okay. The mode of the data is given. Mode of the data is given actually. See, in this question, the mode of the data is given. 45 mode is given, and we need to find out x value and y value. Missing frequencies we need to find out in this question. Sigma fi given. Sigma fi means the total sum of the frequencies given. So now the solution write down like this. Since sigma fi is equal to 50, that implies 4 plus 8 plus x plus 12 plus 10 plus 4 plus y, total sum of the frequencies is equal to 50. So that implies 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 12 24, 24 plus 24 plus 10 34, 38. This will be 38. See, 38 plus x plus y is equal to 50. Now x plus y equals to, you can write, take 38 that side, 50 minus 38. So x plus y equals to 12. Say equation 1 this is. Say equation 1. Right? It's clear now. So now here see, this will be the, now 45. 45 is the mode. So mode is equal to, given that the mode is equal to 45 means 45 lies 40 to 40, 40 to 50. 40 to 50 becomes model class. Model class means obviously, so this will be F1. This will be F1. F1. This is F0. This is F2. This will be the model class. Write down. So since mode is equals to 45, model class is 40 to 50. 40 to 50. We have this L equals to 40, because this is the L, this is the L, L is equal to 40. Go back. Here F1 is equal to 12, F1 is equal to 12, because F1 is the corresponding frequency to the model class and F0 is the preceding class, that is X. So F0 is X and F2 is 10, F2 is 10, and H is equal to 50 minus 40, that will be 10, that will be 10. So formula mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied with H. So my dear students, share to your friends also, so that they may watch in offline session also. Here mode given, mode is equal to 45, write down. L write down, L is 40 plus F1 is 12, F0 is X, 12 minus X, 2F1, 2 into 12 minus F0, that will be X, F2 is 10 multiplied with here H is 10. Here one thing you do it, so now take 40 this side, that becomes now 45 minus 40 equals to 12 minus X upon 24 minus X minus 10 multiplied with 10. 45 minus 40 is 5 equals to 12 minus X into 10 upon, this will be 24 minus 10 is 14, 14 minus X, cross multiply. If you cross multiply, 14 into 5 is 70, 5 into minus X minus 5X, this is 120X minus 10X. So now transpose this minus 10 this side and 70 this side. So you will be getting like this, 10x minus 5x this is 120, this will be 120 only, 120. So 10x minus 5x is equal to 120 minus 70. So this will be 5x equals to 50. 5x is equal to 50. So 5x is equal to 50 means x equals to 50 upon 5. That will be 10. Now go back to the first page. So in this page x plus y is equal to 12. So in the place of x substitute the value and find out y value. So now from equation 1, that is x plus y equals to 12. So in the place of x replace this 10. So we get 10 plus y equals to 12. Y equals to 12 minus 10, that will be 2. Hence the missing frequencies x is equal to 10 and y equals to 2 is completed. So I have completed all the mode problems. Now you can practice that exercise also from your test book. Complete all the questions from the mode problems from your test book. See, you check. So this is the somewhat different problem other than all the problems. Okay, tomorrow morning you have the class. So tomorrow morning we are going to discuss about the median, but tomorrow I will complete the session, and day after tomorrow we will start new chapter, that is a probability chapter. Thank you. Bye bye.